Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm heating up this pot. I've already toasted the bread on my trusty toaster here. Got a tomato on there, a slice of tomato. I'm going to put, I don't have an oven to melt the cheese or to cook to heat the tomato up. So what I'm going to do, I'll put the cheese on there, and I'm going to put it, I'm making a kind of an oven, I guess you could say. There we go now, and we'll close the lid, and we'll just see if that works or not. It's in there. We'll see if it works, if it heats it up good. And I've got my fancy thing here to clear it out. We'll see if it'll work or not. We shall see. We shall see. There was some oil in this pot. I dumped the oil into another pot, and I wiped it out with a paper towel, but there is still some oil residue in the pot, and that's probably what's smoking. I've turned the heat down low, but there's still plenty of heat there. We'll see if this will work or not. Oh, look at that. It's sort of kind of working. Well, we'll see. I'll let the heat build up real good in here. I'm holding it up off the burner. And I'm just going to let the heat build up. And we'll see if it'll work or not. There's Rocky. He's watching the birds. There's birds in the trees over there and stuff. And he's keeping an eye on them. You can hear them. Anyway, Rocky's keeping an eye on the bird situation. He is. Anyway, here we go. We'll see if this will work or not. This is an experiment, so it may turn out to be a dud. We shall see, though. Let me open it up here and see where we're at. Well, it's kind of sort of working. Kind of sort of. Hoping it doesn't burn the bottom of the toast, though. That's all. Seems like it might be doing that. This may turn out not to work, but it's an experiment. That's all. It's an experiment. Whenever you do an experiment, you take a risk. Okay, we'll move this over here out of the way. We will. We'll just put that up there like that. Yeah, we'll see if this works or not. There's Rocky. Quite the cat. I want to take the lid off and check on it, but I need to let the heat build up. So this first one might end up being thrown away, because I may end up totally destroying it while I'm trying to tweak the procedure, you know, and get it just right. We shall see. I'm not sure how long it'll take to let the heat build up in here so it's like an oven, and we'll actually cook the tomato and melt the cheese without destroying the bread. That's the thing, without burning the bread, because the bread's